Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So this is the first video of 2022 and first of all a very happy new year to every one of you. I hope this new year brings in a lot of love, happiness and success in your lives and may you achieve all that you have dreamt of. So for the first video of 2022 I wanted to start off with lipsticks because that is something that I really love using and I'm sure a lot of you also love using lipsticks. So for this particular video I have chosen 6 different types of lipsticks by Swiss Beauty and I do have like 2 or 3 shades in each one of them, which I'm also going to be talking a little bit about them and also sharing the swatches of those lipsticks. So Swiss Beauty has a lot of different varieties of lipsticks and I thought this is a perfect time to share with you some of them so that you get a better idea which ones are worth it, which you should buy and which are worth investing. So yeah, let's begin with the video now. So let's start with the first category. So this is the Swiss Beauty Snapshot Ready Silk Matte Lipsticks. So it comes in this kind of an outer packaging like you can see here, and I really love the packaging because it has this kind of like a glitter thing going on, all right, and like all the necessary information is printed on the carton itself. And this is how the actual bullet looks like. Now the bullet is something that is looking so very luxe. So this is the beautiful rose gold packaging of the bullet that comes inside this one. So these are priced at rupees 549, but on Amazon you will always find it around like say 270 से 290 के बीच में आपको ये मिल जाएगा, बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे मुझे भी मिल गया था. तो मैंने ये सारे लिपस्टिक्स के डायरेक्ट लिंक्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है, सो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दोज लिंक्स एंड मेक योर परचेजेस. Alright, so this is how the actual lipstick bullet looks like. Can we just admire how beautiful this rose gold packaging is? And it also comes with a magnetic closure which is so amazing. So it closes with a click sound like this. On the bottom side they have mentioned the shade name, the manufacturing date as well as the expiry date. Now this is something that I really love about Swiss Beauty lipsticks because Swiss Beauty ना वो outer packaging पे ही खाली ये essential information नहीं लिखता है. It makes sure to mention all of these on the bullet itself because यार outer packaging कोई भी रखता नहीं है basically if you are like me. So it's very helpful because everything is printed on this sticker itself. ठीक है. And when you open it, this is how the bullet looks like. Now I really love the kind of formula that this looks. It looks very luxe. मतलब अगर आप ऐसे देखोगे ना तो it looks pretty matte. And this is the one of the shade that I'm currently wearing on my lips, but it's not like extremely matte and it's also not transfer proof, so it does transfer quite little. So it's been over like I would say 15-20 minutes since I've applied this lipstick, and I'll just show you the amount of transfer that happens. See, so although they have mentioned that it is like a silk matte lipstick, it's not entirely matte. Okay, it has a nice creamy formula and it also does transfer. Okay, so that's one thing that you may have to keep in mind if you want to buy these lipsticks, that they are not completely transfer proof. Okay, but they are perfectly very comfortable to wear. It glides on beautifully. It does not make you feel like dry or parched or anything like that. It's very comfortable to wear. So I've got 3 shades in this range, and those are Chocoholic, Divine Wine and Cherry Darling. And now I'll be showing you the swatches of these 3 shades. So this is the first shade called as Chocoholic. Now this is like a proper like brown color. Okay, like इसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा warm tone या cool tone नहीं, it just has the perfect brown color. मतलब जो proper brown color बोलते हैं ना वो ही है. And this is how it looks like on me. So I really love this shade. It's like a perfect brown shade which is perfectly suitable for medium to dusky skin tone girls. If you're slightly fair, then this might look a little bit more dark on you, but if you have like pigmented brown lips like mine, this is how it will look like on you. The next shade is called as Divine Wine, and that's the shade I'm currently wearing on my lips. So like you can see, it's a beautiful deep dark like wine color, and this is like perfectly suitable again for medium to dusky skin tone girls, and also if you are into like deeper colors, then I feel this one would really look great on you. And the last shade in this range that I have with me is called as Cherry Darling, and it's the shade that I'm currently wearing on my lips. So like you can see, it's like a mix of reddish and brown toned mix, okay, kind of a shade, and just like the other two shades, even this one would suit like every skin tone. So this is how it looks like on me. Moving on to the next set of lipsticks. So the next range is called as the 12 Hours Stay Matte Lip Crayons, and this is how the outer packaging of the lipstick looks like. So this is like a crayon form, okay, and this is how the actual bullet looks like. So again, the expiry date as well as the manufacturing date is printed on this one. The only issue with this one is that you have to sharpen it. So these are priced at rupees 299. Okay, the actual MRP is 299, but on Amazon, like I've already mentioned, you'll always find it cheaper. So in this range, I've got two shades. One is called as Ash Red and the second one is called as Chocobar. So coming on to the texture of these lipsticks, again, you know, these are very creamy to apply, very buttery. They glide on really well on your lips, and it does take a minute or two for it to settle before it turns into completely matte finish. So this one is I would say transfer proof, okay. So I'll just kiss the back of my hand and just show you, because it's been about like 10 minutes since I've applied this lipstick. So I'll just show you how much it transfers or not. So there is slight transfer, but it's like very minimal. So I would call this like a transfer proof lipstick. Unlike the previous one, the silky matte one, those are totally non-transfer proof, but this is actually a transfer proof lipstick, I can say. So these are one of those lipsticks that I would definitely recommend you do try out if you are looking out for good matte lip crayons. And now let me just quickly show you both the swatches. So this is the first shade, which is called as Chocobar 23, and this is like a beautiful like proper Cadbury brown chocolate color. Like if Cadbury had to bring out a lip crayon shade perfectly of that chocolate, it had to be this one, because this is exactly the same Cadbury chocolate ka color. Okay, this is how it looks like on me. And this is the next shade which I'm currently wearing on my lips, and this is called as 14 Ash Red. Now like you can see, it's not like an entirely proper true like blue toned red or like a proper red. It does have a bit of that slight brown tinge to it as well. So yeah, this again I feel would suit every kind of skin tone. The next range is called as the Pure Matte Lipstick, and it comes in this kind of an outer packaging like you can see here. So this one is priced rupees 229, and I've got two shades in this. One is called as Natural Cocoa and the other one is called as Hazelnut. So this is what the actual bullet looks like. So it comes with this kind of a like a very nice matte velvety kind of a packaging, and this is how the actual bullet looks like. So the bullet is like a normal standard lipstick bullet, and bottom side पे सारे details already mentioned है. But ये जो particular range है ना, मुझे उतना ज़्यादा pigmentation नहीं लगा इसका. I feel these are very average lipsticks and you can totally skip buying them, because इसमें कुछ इतना मुझे खास नहीं लगा. So this is like a nice creamy formula. I would say it's not matte by any chance, and also iska pigmentation I wouldn't say it's the best. You have to like keep on like applying a couple of times to get good color payoff basically. So I would say you can skip out on these lipsticks, and these were priced at rupees 229. And now let me just show you the swatches. So this is the first shade which is called as Natural Cocoa N215, which I'm currently wearing on my lips. And this again, it's like a nice brown tone color, but it's not like really showing up on my lips that much, because I guess the pigmentation isn't that great. See, even when I'm swatching on my hands, the pigmentation isn't that great particularly I feel. So yeah, I think you can totally skip out on this lipstick. Okay, so the next shade is the one that I'm currently wearing. It's called as 203 Hazelnut, and this is a kind of shade that would only suit fair skin tones. Like personally on me, first of all, it's not really showing up that much, and also it's kind of like washing me out jitna bhi pigmentation aaya hai uska. सो पर्सनली आई डिड नॉट लाइक दिस शेड ऑन मी एट ऑल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो आप ये स्किप ही कर दो, बिल्कुल भी खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट फील दिस वर्थ द प्राइस. सो या दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक ऑन मी. The next set of lipsticks are called the HD matte lipstick, and इसकी जो packaging है ना, this looks exactly like Huda Beauty. So I am assuming that ये kind of a dupe वो लोग ने बनाने की कोशिश की है. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the actual bullet looks like. तो एकदम ही totally बोलते हैं ना Huda Beauty का copy मारा हुआ है. And इसमें it also comes with a magnetic closure, so it closes with this kind of a click sound. ठीक है, तो काफ़ी कन्वीनियंट पैकेजिंग है, ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली है. एंड बॉटम में लाइक अस ऑलवेज दे हैव मेंशन ऑल द नेसेसरी डिटेल्स. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द बुलेट लुक्स लाइक. सो थोड़ा सा चबी बुलेट है, तो थोड़ा सा स्पेस ज़्यादा ऑक्यूपाई करेगा, तो वो एक थोड़ा सा आप ध्यान दे देना. एंड कमिंग ऑन टू द फॉर्मूला, दिस अगेन दे हैव मेंशन इट एज लाइक अ HD मैट लिपस्टिक, but again these are not transfer proof, and this is how much they transfer. ठीक है, तो ये हो के अभी मैंने जस्ट उसको लाइक ट्राई किया था टू किस द बैक ऑफ माई हैंड, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ मच इट ट्रांसफर्ड. एंड अभी 10 मिनट हो चुके हैं. सो नाउ अगेन आई विल डू अ टेस्ट एंड सी इफ़ इट ट्रांसफर्स मोर और नॉट. सो yes, it again transfers, so it's definitely not transfer proof. तो these are priced at rupees 299, और इसमें मैंने दो शेड्स लिए हैं, Dynamite Berry and Brandy Harrington. So this is the first shade which is called as Dynamite Berry 02, and this is like a proper berry toned color like you can see here. And yeah, this is how it looks like on me. And this is how Brandy Harrington looks like on me. I really love the shade. It's almost like pretty similar to the Sugar Brandy Harrington, except for the formula, because these are not transfer proof, so they do transfer quite a lot. So otherwise I think the shade is pretty close match to Sugar's Brandy Harrington. And yeah, this is how it looks like on me. And the last one is called as the Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Color. Now this is like a proper liquid lipstick, and these are priced at rupees 199. So it comes in this kind of packaging, like you can see here, like a see-through packaging, and the other details is printed on the bottom, and the manufacturing date, everything is printed on the side sticker like you can see here. So it comes with this kind of a wand, like standard applicator. The formula of these are very drying. I would say it's proper like liquid lipstick, but it feels very drying on my lips is what I've noticed. So if you wish to buy these, you will have to apply like a generous layer of lip balm underneath, and also exfoliate your lips before you apply these, because even if you have like little bit of like dry skin on your lips, it will kind of like look really bad. So make sure to exfoliate your lips really well before applying this lipstick, and also apply a good lip balm. So I have got two shades in this. So one is called as Coffee, which I'm currently wearing. So this is like a proper winter appropriate like fall kind of a shade, very dark, very like kind of a little bit vampy I would say. And the next shade is called as Passionate Red, but that looks really horrible on me, so I'm not even going to be swatching it. So for swatches I'm just going to be showing you this one right here, and yeah, this is how it looks like on me. So yeah guys, those were the 6 different varieties of Swiss Beauty lipsticks. I'm also going to be doing more such videos of like one particular single brand like Mars and Insight as well, because again even they have a lot of different varieties of lipsticks. So do let me know in the comment section, how did you like this video? If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're watching me for the first time, then please do consider subscribing guys. And not just subscribing, साथ ही में उसके बाजू में जो बेल आइकन है ना, प्लीज़ ऑल्सो मेक श्योर यू आर क्लिकिंग ऑन दैट, बिकॉज अगर आप उसको नहीं क्लिक करोगे ना, तो आपको मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन नहीं मिलेगा. सो या प्लीज़ इंश्योर यू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन एज वेल. ये सारे लिपस्टिक्स के डायरेक्ट लिंक्स मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है. सो इफ़ यू विश टू परचेज, यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दोज लिंक्स एंड मेक योर परचेजेस. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.